It's getting all over my shirt. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a mini haul because I got a lot of new makeup like yesterday. And but I'm also doing a get ready with me because I haven't done one of those yet, I don't think. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm so excited to use this. I haven't used it yet. It's the MAC Fix Plus Pink Light. And it's so pretty and I've seen it everywhere, but like I haven't gotten to use it yet and I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna start with that. Oh, I was expecting it to come out. There it goes. Oh, it feels so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay, let me just like, give me a moment. I already like it. I just used it, I like it. Oh, and the packaging is like so pretty. So, moving on to Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I got a shade that's obviously too dark for me because I was supposed to tan today. So I got shades darker, but I didn't tan. But I really want to use this foundation, so I'm going to use it anyways. Even though I'm going somewhere after this. But it'll be okay. And I've used this before. Okay, this is way too dark. Oh, I don't want to waste the pump. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Okay, so I've had some time to think about it, and I think I'm just going to wear it like this. I was thinking about the place that I have to go after this, but really, it's going to be dark. So moving on to concealer, I got the Tarte Shape Tape. I've used this before too, but it's like a favorite, so I just was using a cheaper brand. Love making designs on my face. It's so fun. Okay, so now I'm doing setting powder using Laura Mercier, which I've used before. Put some on my chin, my forehead where I get oily. So now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal True Match powder. I've used this before again. Let me know if y'all want me to see, like, if y'all want me to do a regular routine makeup or more like natural looks. I've had some people like wanting natural looks. Right now I'm just like trying to show off the new product. I know some people have wanted a natural look, so that's coming soon. Forgot what I was doing. So now I'm moving on to using a MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, putting that on my lids. Okay, and I'm doing my brows with ABH's Brow Wiz pencil. On to cleaning up my brows with, again, the Paint Pot. I think I'm getting better at brows. They used to suck. So I'm going to do like a really simple eye look today because I didn't get something new, and I don't really feel like doing something really elaborate. So I'm just gonna do something super simple and like natural looking. I'm going in with my Hoola bronzer, and I'm just gonna put that in the crease. So now that that is done, I'm going to wipe off my powder, and I'm going to do my eyeliner. Liner that I used was Maybelline New York Master Drama by Eye Studio.
My eyeballs feel funny.
Okay, so I'm gonna move on to mascara, so I will be done with the eyes. I'm using the Monsieur Big by Lancome. I don't know what I did. Okay, so now that that problem is fixed, I'm moving on to bronzer. I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Ooh, look at that bronze, girl. So now I'm moving on to blush, and yes, I'm using a brush with it, Tarte, and it's in the shade Exposed. It's the one that I always use. Okay, now for a highlighter, I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I'm going in with all of them. Yes, this is a mess. I really need to clean it, but then I'll just have to clean it again in like 2 months, so what's the point? And I'm going in with a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm putting some in the corner of my eye. Oh yes. Okay, for lips, I'm using this stuff that I got from Estee Lauder, and it's a lip pencil in Rose, and a lipstick in Envy. What's so fancy? I don't want to mess it up. These actually came in like gift bags that we got, me and my mom, because we both got stuff. And I'm using their lip gloss, and oh, the color of the lipstick was in Ceased, and the color of the lip gloss is Seductive Honey. I'll get that right someday. I'm just putting it in the center. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Well, thank you for joining me today. Please leave a like and a comment, and be sure to subscribe. Thank you.